been in this building since 1976. Started in 1972, about 2 blocks over, right in smack dab, Midtown Memphis. My father, grandmother, and mother decided to come here for a bigger space because business had grown so much and the barbecue business was becoming a big thing in Memphis at that time. So here we are 47 years later, 3rd generation. It's me, my mom, and my sister that run the operation. We have one other guy that's been here with us for about 15 years. Restaurant operates for 6 hours a day, but everyone pretty much works about 10 hours a day. Prepare the food the day before for the next day with the shoulders. Everything else is prepared the same day. Ribs don't take as long, maybe 2 to 3 hours depending on the fire and what's going on that day. Yeah, we haven't changed much. We just try to keep everything real mom and pop. The flavor, we don't want to change the flavor of Payne's, the atmosphere of Payne's, because then it would change everything that goes along with it. Well, the chopped pork is the biggest seller, but the bologna sandwich has become very popular. We smoke that in just a stick of bologna. That takes about 3 hours to smoke it where it has the smoke flavor. The mustard slaw is what makes the sandwich to me. It's tangy, a mustard base, kind of vinegary. It's a recipe actually handed down to my grandmother from her mother. We use hickory and oak briquettes to cook the food. Start the fire with just the briquettes and use cardboard just to get the fire started. We don't use any kind of fluid or anything. No wood, it's just strictly the charcoal. I think Memphis barbecue is sweeter sauces, I would think. We use pork, no, most places don't sell beef. So you get people come from Texas, oh, y'all don't have brisket, but it's not a big thing. I don't know if it's the cattle or wild. It's just the history of Memphis pork. So the ones in the back, they'll cook for the rest of the day. They're probably like another 6 hours or so.
And then you'll pull them out, and that will be for tomorrow?
We'll pull them up. Like
you'll pull them on the top?
Yeah, but the smoked sausages are really popular. Everything is popular because we only have like 6 menu items.
Yeah,
so.
I saw that. And do you ever run out of?
Oh yeah.
And then you just close shop, short day, going home?